Please feel off.
Oh shit, I dropped the drain plug in the oil.
You have to get it out before it's full, then.
Yep. But I also can't stop the oil.
I'll get the other bucket.
Yeah, get another bucket.
Damn it, Phil.
Oh, I've got it. Oh, God, this is awful stuff.
Shit, that's on the grass.
I'm so sorry.
This is not funny.
No, I know it's not funny. Believe me, I'm the first person to know. Like, oh God, that's awful. Okay, it's almost out now. It's nice and warm at least. I think what we need to do is shove that out before it goes in, soaks into the ground. Okay, this one's fine. There's none on your driveway at least. So I'm so sorry. Oh God, this is
You're
awful.
peeling the potatoes for dinner tonight.
I think I agree with that.
How many times have you changed oil in your life, Phil?
3 or 4. It just slipped out my grip. It just came loose, and I just changed
Well,
grip.
you got gloves on. We'll give you
I've not
good
got-
work, John. Good work, John.
I've just got the one glove.